Hello. Welcome to the second tutorial episode on how to make a plugin for MCreator. In this tutorial, I will explain to you how to create new AI task blocks for the entities. The first part of the video will be the creation of our own AI task section. The second part will be about the JSON file of the AI task block, and the third part will explain how to add the code to the block. Before starting, I suggest you to learn MCreator before, with the wiki or the playlist on the YouTube channel of Pilo. You also should and need to have basic knowledge in Java and with Forge. To get more information about plugins, you can check the demo plugin made by Pilo on their GitHub. Finally, if you don't know how to make the basic plugin, I suggest you watch the first tutorial. The first step is to set up the folder for the task blocks. To create it, you need to create a new folder in the same folder than your plugin.json. The name of this folder has to be AI tasks. To have your section, create a new JSON file inside the AI task folder. The name your file has to start with $. After, put the ID of your section. You will have to write this ID in the AI files. When it's done, open it. Inside this file, you only need to write two sections. The first one will set the name of the section into MCreator. The second section will set its color. After this, you can save and close your file. To get the number for each color, you go in the description and click on the link. When it's done, create a new JSON file with the name of your AI task. When it's created, you can open it. The name of custom AI task blocks should be prefixed with __ to avoid collisions with other plugins. The first line is used to write the text displayed on the block. If you look correctly, you can see a %1. The % symbol followed by a number is used to tell to MCreator and Blockly there is a field to fill by the user. The number is only used to say its place in the args list after. You have to put % symbols as much as you want the user to change variables. After the first line, you have the args0 section. This section is used to declare the type of each variable you have put before. The first variable will be the %1 you have put in the message 0. There are three types: field _ number to write a number, input _ value to have a value, items, string, etc., and field _ checkbox to have a checkbox. The name section is only the name of your variable. Then, depending on the variable type you use, you will have to write a specific field. If the type is a field number, you will have to add a value field, to write the default number. If you have an input value, you will have to add a check field. Finally, if you have a field checkbox, you need to write true to check the field or false to uncheck the field. After, go to color. This section is to set up the color of the block. The toolbox _ID is the section where your block will be. The last section in this code is the field /inputs. In the fields section, you have to write all the field _ number and field _ checkbox you have used, write their names. If you have one or many inputs _ values, duplicate the fields section, and change fields by inputs. To have the list of all entities, you will need to add a new section after the args0 section. You don't have to put the % symbol. Write extension, and then entity _list _provider. Finally, add an entity line in the fields section. For this section, return in the folder your plugin.json and then, make a new folder for the generator you want. When you are inside of the folder, create a new file with the extension .java.ftl. For the name of the file, write the same name you have wrote for the JSON file. Open the file, and write the code of your AI task block. Firstly, to set the AI task depending on the place the user has set, you need to replace the number by $custom block index +1. It will set the position number of the task whatever where it will be in the builder. Secondly, to get the values of the user, you need to replace all values by $field and the number of your variable. With this, FreeMarker and Blocky will be able to replace the values by the values of the user. It's now the end of the second tutorial about the plugin system. You should now be able to create your own AI task blocks. I hope you liked this tutorial, and it will help you. Thanks for watching and bye.